sounds are music that I can understand, like fluids. It's funny, I used to be so concerned with who I was and what I wanted to be, and now that I have access to the furthest reaches of my brain, I see things clearly and realize that what makes us us, it's primitive. They're all obstacles. Does that make any sense?
You're a freak. Your deductive powers are a gift from God or chance or a stray shot of sperm or whatever, or whoever the hell wrote your life script. A gift, not earned. You do not know what I know because you have not earned those powers. You're careless with those powers. You flaunt them and you throw them around like a brat with his trust fund. You haven't had to climb up all the greasy little rungs. You haven't been bored blind at the fundraisers. You haven't done the time in that first marriage to the girl with the right father. You think you can leap over all in a single bound. You haven't had to bribe or charm or threaten your way to a seat at that table. You don't know how to assess your competition because you haven't competed. Don't make me your competition.
Okay, as we can see, what we're dealing with here is we're dealing with masters of the mind. We're dealing with the creator of the universe. And it should be very clear that the creator of the universe is Mother Nature. You see the same patterns found in nature that permeate the universe. We see the light frequency is intelligence. We see the offspring of that one creator of every and all, the entire universe, Mother Nature. We see her children, the offspring of energy. As energy springs off, we see the aurora lights entering in through the pole, and we see them spring into, split into. And as we know, the Beast-born Beast Girl has set everything backwards, because in order for them to have their puppet show in the system, they must implement mind control to control the minds of man and woman, to cause their minds to become divided and to not have a solid foundation of logic. And the logic is the knowledge of who their creator is. It's a solid foundation in nature to where you could build upon the logic, you could build upon the grid. We see when green splits in two, you get yellow and blue. And what do you see every day in the sky? You see the power. You see the power that is over this earth, that cooperates with Mother Nature to bring about the cycles of nature. You understand? The yellow sun, and we see the blue moon. We see the frequency of the power. We see the son of the creator, and we see the daughter of the creator. We see the son is man, and the daughter is woman. And when they come back together, we see the manifestation of the power of the creator. You see, when we see the Fibonacci sequence, when we see the golden ratio, we're talking about supreme mathematics. We're talking about making sense into reality. Not dollars and cents, but sense inside of your brain, which interfaces with the mind of the all-knowing Mother Nature, the creator of the universe. Her offsprings are offsprings of that logic, which is man and woman. We're talking about a father figure. We're talking about a mother figure. So we're talking about making sense, mathematics. Okay, we're talking about solving problems, questions and answers, fundamental mental funds. Electrical currency. Does that register? The brain acts as a biodegradable computer that is designed by Mother Nature to produce a solution. It's software. This software produces a solution that comes out as saliva to where you can speak the solution. You see a problem, you solve a problem. Seek, speak, truth. It's a simple formula. Building blocks of matter. Light makes matter. The building blocks. The sense is interest. The compoundment of that interest. Compound. To build. A building. Compound interest. Building blocks. You build with your mind. You build with your brain. Interface with the mind of the all-knowing mind. Mother Nature, the creator of the universe. You have two brains, a right and a left. You have two hands, a right and a left. Your two hands are an extension of your brain to where you could build upon the grid.